I receive emails about artificial intelligence every day. Everyone promises the sky is the limit, and everyone thinks that every application on this planet must now include artificial intelligence, even if this often makes no sense at all. We are all used to the fact that our reality works differently to the way it is shown in glossy advertising. That's why I thought that we could simply show a few practical examples of how this really works in real life. Because most companies are now realizing that the world is changing so quickly that they will never be able to react fast enough to all these changes with their own processes. Many people are afraid of being overtaken by technological progress in a very short space of time, which is why we need fast solutions that also work in reality. And I would like to present such solutions here. One of them, for example, is the use of artificial intelligence that is capable of converting spoken words into text. Another possibility is to turn written text into spoken words. There is also the option of having spoken or written text corrected and improved within a few seconds. These options alone are so useful and can be implemented in such a short space of time that it is probably worthwhile for everyone to take advantage of them.